So you did not help in the household chores at all.
I make a biscuit.
You made.
Ma'am, I helped a mom doing drying the clothes.
Wow, lovely, lovely, lovely. Yo. So that itself shows that we all are so special. Right? So let us give ourselves a big round of applause. Clap for ourselves. And take your hand, lift it up, take it back. Well done.
Well done.
Whatever you did, well done. Poonam, you arranged a nice session for children. You all are so special. Yeah?
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, good evening.
Miss, sorry, I was late. I went
Good evening,
out.
ma'am.
No problem. I was also late by
Sorry, Miss,
a minute or two because there was some technical error. I was not able to join. So
Yeah,
let me check. Some people are still not able
I
to join. Kavya
was
had
waiting
put me join again.
for
Niruj.
the meeting to start.
Yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me float a message. Let me float a message. Join quickly. Okay. So, young lions and young phoenixes, we are on day 5. So congratulations, and I'm so excited for you all that you all have reached day 5. You all have already crossed more than 60% on your leadership journey, rather more than 70%. You have written, you have understood about the main pointers of leaders, you have implemented it, and I read your speeches, I gave my inputs, I asked you all to make additions or subtractions or correct it. So I am now so excited for you all to be able to deliver the speech with that strength. Are you all excited?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So nice.
I was out, so I have not sent it to you.
Okay, so you can write now. Today you can finish writing. I have
I
given you
have
pointers. What you have to do, you have to just go through the point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the same way, you have to write about your social cause.
I I I have done the half.
Okay, so you complete it, and today we are going to learn to deliver the speech. It is so very much important for a leader to be super confident, and when they address their crowd, okay, they have to be super confident because is they are solving people's problem, isn't it?
Yes.
Right? So they are, you all are already so excited, so dynamic, and so powerful that you have made your why clear and that you are going to change the world. Remember Greta Thunberg's video, Thunberg's video? Yeah. So her social cause is global, right? Global warming. So if this is one social cause. There are many social causes. So we have to rise up to help. rise up from our selfishness to selflessness, to give out to this world, because we are capable, we have that within us. We have to just bring it out. So, with all your speeches ready, how to deliver? How many of you all are now scared of going on stage and talking in front of people? How many of you all are scared of it?
Yes, Miss, me.
Just give me the thumbs up. Scared? Vivan, your camera? Okay. Niharika is not scared. Kavya is not scared. Nervous? Were you nervous?
Mama, I am scared.
Nervous. Niharika is not nervous. Kavya is not nervous, right? Confident. Very good. Shriya? Hitarthi? No. You all are confident to go and give your speech. That's very good. Hmm.
Ma'am, when I have a proper content, then I'm not scared. But sometimes when I'm not prepared properly.
So it has to be, see, there is a very thin line between confident and overconfident, right? Sometimes the fear is good. Sometimes the fear works like magic. Because I remember once I was very confident that I don't need to practice and I know what, and on the stage I messed up. I messed up everything. I did not know what to do, and people made fun of myself.
Miss.
So it is very important to be, 1 minute, it is very important to be confident, self-confident, and little bit fear is there,
Miss.
then it's good. 1 minute. I'll give you a chance to talk. So then it's good to have that fear, right? Sometimes. So for the people who are nervous, little bit, I am going to tell you a very simple technique to overcome your nervousness, right? When first of all, I will give you why are you confident. People who are confident because their why is clear. Why are they addressing their crowd? What is the problem they are solving, of which the people are suffering? So they are spreading happiness. That is why they are confident. Their why is super clear.
Yes.
Right? So I'm going to give you a very simple technique and you will laugh at it. But believe me, it works like magic. So whenever you are going to deliver your speech, I will give you chance. I will give you, everybody wants to say, I will let me finish. So whenever you're going to speak in front of an audience, now it is a virtual platform. Tomorrow you are going to do two things. Tomorrow you are going to deliver your speech here, as well as you're going to record your speech and upload it on the WhatsApp group. And join Facebook group. You are going to upload on Facebook group also. I've created. So to calm yourself down, you have to be calm. So to calm yourself down, just do it with me. Yeah, you're going to breathe with me. You have to breathe deep. You have to take your hands up. Do it like this. Take your hands up like this. Open your hands and just, it's like tongue. The devil of fear inside killed. So you are doing what? You are taking out the fear, throwing it in the universe and attracting positive energy within you. So it works like magic. It works like magic. Like, take your hands. Ta-da! I'm super confident. I'm super confident. And you're going to before recording your speech or before the session, you're going to go to your parents, you're going to tell them that, mama, dad, I'm gonna rock today. You're literally going to say that. Mama, dad, I'm going to rock in my speech. I'm a leader. I am responsible to bring a positive change in this world. I'm responsible to, lead people towards happiness. I'm responsible to, eradicate, to, eradicate the sufferings from this planet Earth. Right? Just don't live for ourselves. We have to live for others as well. So this is one technique that, and your fear is gone and your positivity is around you. And you have inhaled, you have exhaled your fear, you have inhaled positivity. Right? So this is one thing you are going to do. Now ask question. Before I move on to the second thing, Mahi wants to say something. Yeah, go ahead. One by one.
Can I share something with you?
You have
Miss,
to ask any
that's
question.
right. No, miss.
Okay, what do you want to share, darling?
Miss, that I know that fear is not that bad. Means overconfident, not at all good. Miss, I know that there's one girl. Miss, she used to make fun of many children, me too, and many children. Miss, but one day when there was a Republic Day and many people came down, that time there was one role play. So there was materials, and for her material lost, and then everyone made fun of her.
I would point out, I would just suggest you, Mahi, one thing, and through Mahi, it's a learning for everyone here, is that we have to shift our focus from others to improving ourselves. This is very important point for a leader. A leader should not focus on the shortcomings of others. A leader should never make fun of anyone. Rather, a leader should channelize the energy. The energy, as we know, we all are children, kids, we don't know all these things, but you have to learn. You have to learn that the energy, whatever we do, there is an involvement of energy, right? There's an involvement of energy. Whether we are thinking, whether we are talking, whether we are listening, whether we are dancing, there's an involvement. Whether we are just watching, whether what in our mind we are making fun of someone, or in our mind we are thinking good for someone, there is an involvement of energy, because everything runs on energy. So every time when we pinpoint others in our surrounding कि वो ऐसा है, वो वैसा है, इसने ये किया, इसने वो किया, तो एनर्जी तो हमारी जा ही रही है ना. सो उसी एनर्जी को हम चैनलाइज करें. हम ये देखें कि हमें क्या करना है और हमें क्या नहीं करना है. व्हाट इज माय मिशन? You all are, we all are born on this planet Earth with a mission. With a mission. And that mission, we all are trying to find out. That is the reason you all have enrolled for this workshop. And your parents, they have, deep confidence in you all. They love you all. They trust you all. So they have enrolled you for this workshop, right? So it is our responsibility that we focus more on our mission, on our why. And we should focus on how can I help that person who's in a mess, right? So Mahi, how did you help that girl?
Miss, I did not help Miss because that before when I was there, she used to make a lot of fun of me and more people. So that was her fault. So
that's her cause. You being a leader, it's your responsibility to help her with a good heart, with a good gesture. If she made fun of me, that doesn't mean I will also make fun of her or laugh at her or whosoever when they make mistake. We all make mistake, no? So we have to, that is why on the day 2, I gave you 3 most important qualities of a leader. Come on, chalo, rewind karte hain. What are the 3 most important qualities of a leader?
Ma'am,
Miss
confidence,
confidence,
Ma'am, compassion.
Courageous,
compassion,
compassionate,
Courage,
compassion,
compassion, yes,
communication.
communication. So here, what should have been used here in this situation? What Mahi just said: courage, compassion, or communication? What?
communication.
Ma'am, communication and compassion.
Communication with deep compassion. आपके हार्ट से जब वो कंपैशन आएगा कि नहीं यार, इसने मेरे साथ जो भी किया है, इसको इस समय हेल्प की जरूरत है, मुझे इसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. रेज नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में. रेज नहीं चाहिए कि तूने मेरी पेंसिल तोड़ी, अब देख मैं तेरी बॉटल तोड़ती हूँ. तूने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, अब देख मैं तेरे साथ क्या करती हूँ. ये नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में. बिकॉज यही चीज आपका सारा परफॉर्मेंस खराब करता है, क्योंकि आपकी सारी एनर्जी जो है, यू पीपल आर, यू चिल्ड्रन, यू लायन आर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. तो वो एनर्जी आपकी जो है वो गलत डायरेक्शन में जाती है. उसको राइट डायरेक्शन में लगाओ. राइट, दैट I will be deeply discussing in the next level of my program. So coming back to Shreya wanted to ask something. Quickly, darling, quickly.
Ma'am, last year I did one speech in my assembly.
Very good. We can't hear you. Yes, Kavya. You fix your audio system.
Ma'am, like Greta was reading from a paper the speech. So are we supposed to
I'm
just
going to tell you.
explain?
I'm going to tell you all. I'm going to tell you all. Okay. So the first point is calm down. Dhanang karke, right? Second thing is you have to decide that what are you going to wear? What are you going to wear tomorrow? It's not like this कि that मैंने कुछ भी पहन के मैं आ गई, मैं आ गया, right? You have to decide a dress, and वो dress जो आप decide करोगे, I will open the group at 8 o'clock today, and you are going to click a pic and send the pic of that dress. How about it?
Ma'am, tomorrow we are giving a speech.
Yeah, so you have to prepare. First of all, you have to calm down. You have to decide upon what are you going to wear. वो ड्रेस आप डिसाइड करोगे कि क्या पहन रहे हो. उसके लिए मैं आपको सेशन के बाद 1 घंटा दूंगी. वो डिसाइड करके फिर उसकी पिक्चर खींच के ग्रुप में डाल देना. मुझे भी तो मजा आना चाहिए कि बच्चे क्या पहन रहे हैं, क्या पहन के स्पीच देने वाले हैं कल. राइट, आई वांट टू सी दैट. Yeah, and the third thing is third thing is that you have to practice your speech, what you have written. Very important. You have to remember your speech. Now, how will you remember your speech? You have to hold your speech like what I taught you all, the body language. So by doing dharang, you are gaining self-confidence. You are self-confident. You have to stand straight, wearing good dress, and you shoulders pushed back, head little here like, and you have to read your speech in front of mirror 7 times. You have to read your speech 7 times. Remember, children, I will give you an example. You all go to school, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Today,
ma'am.
now you have online school. So you go to school today. Tomorrow you are not, you don't want to, but anyways you have to go. You have to push yourself, go. Someday you go happily. So even if somebody will wake you up at 12 o'clock, you think that it's school time, I have to go and get ready and go to school. Yes. So it has seeped into your mind. That has seeped into your mind. So that by doing daily, practicing again and again and again, your mind is conditioned to remember that you have to go to school no matter what. That is you are sending the signals through neurons to your brain to remember that. Right? This is a sending signal. Why do we do it again and again? By doing again and again, we send signals through our neurons, through our brain, that boss, listen, brain, you are commanding that you have to remember it no matter what. So when I go, what if, see, supposing if you take a paper and go and stand in front of people and you read from the paper. How will it look? Supposing if I give speech like that, how will you feel? You will not feel good, right? You will not feel good. And by what is the importance of good clothes? Supposing I here come in my pajamas and come in my nightie and sit. What will you all think? कि मैम मेगड़ी है क्या, थोड़ी पागल है, नाइटी पहन के बैठती है क्लास को एड्रेस करने. In fact, I will not be able to speak. I will only go to sleep. Wearing nice dress before giving your speech makes you feel good. Makes you feel energetic, right? When you dress up well, you feel good or no? Right?
Yes.
So that is very, very, very important. And the thing is that you are going to rock, is that you have to believe in yourself that you're going to rock. You can believe in yourself when you are 100% ready. 100% ready with your why. When your why is clear. Not thinking what he is doing or what she is doing, when your why is clear. Second is, you are super confident when you are 100% prepared with your speech. So किसी को 7 times से ज़्यादा लगता है तो आप 7 times से ज़्यादा लगाओ. If you are shy in front of everyone, standing in front of mirror, you can simply go to the bathroom and practice. No problem. Where there is a will, there is a way. You can stand up, and since you are here, I would prefer that you place your camera in such a way and give your speech that you are standing and giving your speech.
Ma'am.
But if you don't want to do that, you have to wear nice top. नीचे आप पजामा भी पहनोगे तो चलेगा, वो दिखेगा नहीं यहाँ पर. Okay, right? So dress well. You can stand up and speak also. You can sit and speak also, and you have to record your speech. And tomorrow when you practice, deliver your speech. And before that, you have to record and post it tomorrow in the WhatsApp group. Before 6:30. 1 minute before 6:30. So learn your speech, remember it, and deliver it the way with confidence, with body language, and in front of camera. Supposing your mama is shooting your speech, that doesn't mean you will do like this or like this. You have to stand straight. You have to ask your mama to capture you full. Yeah, and make sure that your wall is blank. When you are giving a speech, make sure that you are standing in front of a blank wall. Yeah. So on a virtual platform, you're going to give speech. We are living in virtual world, digital platform, right? And that way you have to ask your mama, papa, whosoever, that record your 2-minute video, right? And so you have to stand confident, head high, shoulders pushed back, and you know that you are going to change one life. Just remember, just imagine that you are standing in an auditorium where there are hundreds and thousands of people and you're delivering your speech because you want to change a life. Right? In school, you would have given speeches in your school uniform. That's perfectly fine. But now you have to wear nice clothes. They should be nicely ironed, fresh, clean, so that you feel good when you talk. Right? So two things you have to remember. You have to remember your speech 7 times minimum. It will take you 14 minutes because your speech is 2 minutes, right? And be careful about your outfit. And tie your hair nicely, comb it nicely, put little cream or a powder on your face and look absolutely fresh when you deliver your speech, right? Don't I look fresh? Do I look fresh? Yes.
Yes.
So you have
Yes,
to look
ma'am.
fresh so that people feel happy as soon as they see your face. Charming, smiling, radiant face. Right? So we are all set to go. So
Yes.
on your mark, get set, go.
Oh.
Yes, Shreya. Now your question. Where's your sister, Niveda?
Today also she's not attending class.
No problem. Chalo, Shreya, you wanted to ask. Maitri wanted to ask. Kavya one have question. Come on. Pour your questions.
Ma'am,
Shreya is talking one by one. Shreya is talking.
Ma'am, last year I did one speech in my assembly in my school
Wow.
regarding Friendship Day. I was
Friendship
not
Day.
there. Yeah, in front of the crowd.
Wow. So those speeches, what you all have given, whether it's some day, Republic Day, Friendship Day, Independence Day, that we talk about that particular day and its history. Now here in this speech is your first time because you're talking of a social cause, talking of giving help, talking of taking support of people. Yeah, in changing your surroundings, in community, your world around you.
Ma'am,
Clear?
I
Yes, darling.
Ma'am, I practice front of the wall.
Yeah, you practice in front of mirror. You practice so that you see yourself, your gesture. Next question. Who was next? Maitri.
Ma'am, I just logged in from my mother's account, ma'am. My name is Mritika only.
Okay, Mritika. Yes. Come on, switch on your camera. Nishita and Maitri.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Okay. Yeah. What is your question, darling?
Ma'am, I don't have a question, ma'am. I was just going to say that I'm grateful to you because you have motivated me, ma'am. In my before the you made us write something on the first day, right? About any noble act. I told that I did a campaign, right? I am actually thinking of restarting the campaign again.
Wow. So tomorrow you're going to tell us about your campaign. In tomorrow's session, you're going to tell us about your campaign also. Right?
Ma'am,
You all will be given 2 minutes only to finish your speech. I will be keeping a watch on it, on the timer. I will be putting a timer. So you have to look into it that your speech does not exceed 2.5 minutes maximum. It should be within 3 minutes. Right? Do not
Ma'am.
exceed. Next, who wants to ask? Next is Kavya.
Ma'am, what is a campaign?
Where is Mahi?
Ma'am, what is a campaign?
Yeah, come on. Yeah, Kavya.
Ma'am, what is a campaign?
Yeah, she will discuss tomorrow, Prajakta. Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, so we should have the speech with us and we should explain, right, ma'am?
No. You have to give your speech without reading. You shouldn't be holding the paper in your hand. You have to memorize your speech.
Okay, ma'am.
Next. Nishta. So, please switch on your camera so that I can... Yeah, Vivan has a question. Yeah. Vivan.
I don't have a question. I wanted to say that one time there was an activity competition in our school, declamation competition. We have to create a speech of a freedom fighter and say. So I got first prize in that.
Wow, let's clap for Vivan. Let's clap, let's clap. Very good, very good, very good. Come on, children, my young lions and my young phoenixes. Show yourself bright face. There's one camera off only, Nishtas. No problem, dear. It's okay. But you have to remember, if you don't want to open your camera in front of people, then how will you expect people to open up before you? Do not be afraid. Do not be shy. Do not be camera conscious. Okay, so we are all set to go for tomorrow's speech. Show your faces. I'm going to take a screenshot. So, on your mark, get set, go. अरे कुछ फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस दे दो बड़े बड़े. जब तुम लोग अपनी सेल्फीज लेते हो तो पाउट करते हो, कर करके सेल्फीज लेते हो. अब क्या हुआ? Okay, your internet is bad. On your mark, get set, go. ऐसे से faces बनाओ. हाँ, who करो. हाँ करो. Yo, let me save it. Wait. One sec screenshots. Yeah. So you all are going to remember your speech, prepare it, and deliver it tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I send it today?
What, darling?
The speech, because I will go to my hometown tomorrow.
Oh, so, okay, tomorrow you're not there. And then in that case, you can make a video and post it on the group today itself. No problem.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what time will we be doing the speech?
6:30.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, 6:30.
Excuse me,
Okay? Yeah.
ma'am. Can we refer a cue card?
You can make a cue card. No problem.
Ma'am,
Cue cards are good. Yeah. Small in your hand, you can hold and then remember the topic.
ma'am, what is a cue card?
Cards are small chits we make, and on those chits we write the pointers. If you don't remember, but the speech is very short, and you can deliver it even without cue cards. If you cannot, then you can make cue cards. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow you're going to deliver your first speech error-free on social cause, your leadership speech. Yeah? So till then, bye-bye. Yeah, Shreya.
What is cue card?
Cue card I just explained, darling. Cue card I just explained that it is a small cards, small chits we make and write points on that. So we hold it in our palm, and so that we remember it. If in case we forget, in case we mess up. So don't worry, you will not mess up. Even if you mess up, if your why is clear, why are you doing it? It happens with everyone. So they cover it up immediately. When you know why are you doing it, that is why I'm emphasizing again and again to make your why clear. Right? So see you all tomorrow. I will open group now at 8 o'clock so that you all can post the pictures of your outfit. What are you going to wear and deliver the speech? You have to think that you are standing in front of 1,000 people and addressing them because you are a leader. Okay? So see you all tomorrow. You all can post your questions if you have any. All set to go? Bye-bye.
Yes.
Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care. Like this you all do. Like this you all do. We are strong. We are strong. We are strong. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
I had a question.
Yeah. What question?
Like if we like our parents are busy or something, then like can we record the video on our own, like
Yeah.
in the
If
selfie form,
you're comfortable,
in the
you
selfie
can.
mode we can?
Yeah.
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
all are comfortable, you can do that. No problem. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Good
Bye.
night.
You all are heroes. Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.